The Island of Lost Shadows. Liam had always been fascinated by shadows. Not the normal kind that follow you, but shadows that moved strangely, stretching, twisting, almost alive. He had read about them in old books and heard stories about them, but never really believed, until the night of the storm. The wind howled, rain hit the windows hard, and Liam noticed his shadow moving oddly. It stretched, twisted, and then slipped away. By morning he felt drawn to the sea, where a small boat waited as if it had been left for him. The waters carried him to a strange island. The cliffs were dark and jagged, and the trees had long shadows that looked almost black. Liam stepped onto the sand. Shadows moved on their own, wriggling like living things. Then he saw it. A shadow shaped like a fox stepping forward to meet him. "Why am I here?" Liam asked, his voice shaking. The shadow fox tilted its head. "Some shadows leave to show what people forget. Some wait to see if someone will follow." He followed it through the forest. Shadows flickered around him, forming quick images, memories, fears, moments he had tried to forget. They weren't dangerous, they were pieces of his own life waiting to be noticed. At the heart of the forest, the fox stopped at the edge of a cliff. The wind smelled of salt and stone. Liam looked down and saw the shadows below moving together, forming shapes he couldn't name. The fox turned to him. "They wait," it said quietly, then disappeared into the darkness. Liam stood there for a long moment, watching. Then he walked back toward the boat, feeling lighter, but still unsure if the island had shown him something real, or if it had just been waiting all along to be seen.